Android 11R is now available for the Redmi K20 Pro or the Xiaomi Mi 9T in the form of a vanilla AOSP ROM. So let's check it out.
My compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice.
The ROM is vanilla AOSP, so no Play Store and Google Apps for now. But you do get to take a look at the latest release of Android, with pretty much everything working, which is sweet. The new Android Easter egg for Android 11 is having cats again after Android Nougat. You just tap the Android version a few times and then try and get the dial to 11, after which a cat pops up below. But I couldn't go any further with the Easter egg, most probably because the next part of the Easter egg needs Google Apps. But all the basic stuff Google has implemented in Android 11 works. Stuff like camera, calls, networking works fine. The Android 11 native screen recorder works, and it can also record internal audio. Another interesting feature in Android 11 is Bubbles. It's similar to the chat heads in Facebook Messenger, but with native support in Android now, it can be used by most messaging apps, although the app itself needs to support it. I was able to test it in Telegram since I couldn't get any other messenger apps without Play services. The Google Messages app should support it too. It's a useful new feature. Fingerprint scanner works, although screen off fingerprint doesn't. The new redesigned Android Recents menu is here. The app suggestions bar at the bottom has been replaced by a screenshot button and a text selection button. But I think the text selection needs Google Apps. There's a new power menu which should be having the Easter egg cat controls along with the Google Home cards. I did try and get apps that don't need Google framework like Firefox Fennec browser and this pretty good YouTube client, and I do want to try and live the non-Google life, but I just don't seem to be ready yet. Anyways, testing this ROM has been pretty amazing considered how quick the developers got it working as a custom ROM. But without Google Apps support, about which I did do a Google search, and I couldn't find GApp support for Android 11. I can't recommend this ROM just yet for daily usage. Download links are in the description. Thanks to the developers for working on this, and thank you for watching.
On your shoulders, child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.